Hi, and welcome back to Mobile Technology Star. Just wanted to tell you that today is a wonderful day and the weather is warm. I want to show you something that might grab your attention. I got this today. It's a power tool as usual, and this power tool like a must have at home. You can do lots of things with it, and it's very important to have that. And it's this. Its model number is ZJ4113. I hope you can see that clearly, guys. ZJ4113. 5-speed. It's a drill press. A drill press looks like that. That's what a drill press looks like. Let's unbox it and see what we have. It's saying at first power 250, 350 watt. Can you see that? Just like here. And maximum drilling is 13 millimeter. Maximum drilling diameter. And the 5-speed for the gears. It has gears. And you can see this on the box. It's written as well. The specs on the box. You can see the specs. It's written as well, like 5-speed, maximum drilling diameter 13 millimeter, power 250 watts to 350, height 580 millimeters, and that's how it looks like. Let's unbox it and test it out. Let's see what's inside that box. First of all, okay, comes with the manual. And a little box that has the Allen keys as usual, and some O-rings and tightening screw. Okay. Oh, I wonder the box is not heavy. The box is empty? Oh, where did it go? Oh, I forgot. I just unboxed it already. It will take a lot of time just putting it together to make it easier for you guys to watch the video and test it out with you guys. So this is the drill press, and this is the drilling part, and this is the handle that moves the drilling part up and down. Simply just like that. You can see like it's 3 handles, not just one. So to ease the operation for the user, and this is the on and off switch, and this is the nut that adjusts the up and down procedure, like the maximum down and the maximum up. You can set that using this part. And wanted to show you as well the drilling bits. Those can be used for both wood and metals, and they're recommended for metals, but those ones are not that powerful, and those are not that like wonderful or that so powerful. Those are just ordinary drilling bits, and they are APT. But APT just made a wonderful drilling bits that are rare. It's a titanium coated finish. So those are APT as well, and 5.0 millimeters. So let me show you one of those. I love it because they are finished. They have the golden look, and they are not like the ordinary ones. They don't get teared easily. Tear process, they do not get teared easily. Look how wonderful is that. Wonderful finish, guys. The titanium coated drilling bits. I love those a lot. There's also other titanium ones, titanium coated ones. I have 11 and 12 millimeter. Those are titanium coated. And I have 8, 7, 9, and 10 millimeters. And I have 11, 12, and 13 titanium coated as well. So let's start testing out with a titanium one, just to show you the drilling bits and how they look like. So I'm going to wear my gloves, and I'm going to make this awesome footage for you, just to let you see how it will look like. So here we go. Let's put that aside. I'm going to just put it just like that. And start rotating this part after adding the titanium finished drilling bit. I think this one, how many millimeters? 6.0 millimeter. Yeah. That will do some awesome drilling. A 6.0. So after installing that drilling bit this way, I come with the locking screw, just like that, and move it towards this way so it locks firmly on the drilling bit. So in order for me to start the drilling procedure, I need to make sure that I have everything set it up well and I'm safe, so that I don't get injured while I'm drilling. I'm doing it safely and responsibly. So I'm going to get a piece of a metal, which is a bicycle pedal lever. So that bicycle pedal lever, we're going to make a hole in it using the drilling bit just to test it out and see the titaniums. The titaniums should be very fast in drilling and very sharp, no matter how flattened the metal is that you're drilling, it will drill through right away. Okay, so let's start the machine and simply rotate the handle, and here we go. Okay, we need to set that nut upwards so that we can drill. Let's see its performance. Okay. It didn't go through yet. Okay. So I have to adjust the screw. Okay, that's too low, so I'm going to get a piece of wood just to drill on this piece of the metal. So I used to make holes in it with my own drilling. I used to use my own drill to make drills in that bicycle pedal wrench. So that bicycle pedal lever. So I'm going to turn on the machine and try to drill it one more time. Okay, I think it's going to drill. Look, see how sharp is that? Once it touches the metal, that's what I'm talking about. That's why it's titanium coated. It's already drilled through. Look at that. Let's continue drilling. So that was not tightened well. But anyways, it drilled through. Wow. Is it hot? Not yet. It's not that hot. You can touch it with your hand. That's why it's titanium coated. It's very sharp, guys. Look at that nice clean hole. Nice clean hole. I need to tighten the drilling bit with the tightening screw well. Okay, just like that easily. Let's make another hole. Hopefully I make another hole which is more perfect than this one. Okay, it's drilling, drilling. Okay, drilling, drilling, drilling. Okay. Let's check. Check the hole. Wow. The hole that went through. The metal didn't even get hot. It's not that hot. But it went through, like it did cut through the metal. I can clean that hole well using the drilling bit because it has some plastic. As we can see, let's clean that just to show you the hole. Plastic on the surface, that's why it's not clear. But as you can see, the hole that got drilled was awesome. Make it like go through. Let's make it go through the other side and see how it's gonna perform. Okay, let's wear my safety gloves. The second attempt for the same hole. It's not drilled yet. I was just resting the machine for some time because the motor like heats up, and I make sure to rest the machine just to protect the motor and the machine and not cause any malfunctions in the machine. I will be attempting to drill it. added some oil. There we go. Successful. That did go through. Wow. We're finished. And the whole the drilling bit did go through. Here we go. Let's clean it just to like clean it for you guys just to let you see. That's the 6 diameter hole that I was drilling right now. So entry point, like drilling bit entry point and drilling bit exit point. See, you can see my finger from the other side. Was a successful one. The other times that I was drilling, it was not that successful because my hands were shaky a little bit. So that's why. So again, that's the drilling machine. You can drill with it stuff and make holes and clean holes, and you can clean them with the metal sander. The sander, a sanding machine that sands metals. You can clean those holes with it, and because they contain some plastic and other stuff, because this bicycle pedal lever, bicycle pedal lever has plastic and rubber in it, as well as metals. So when you drill, those mix together and make the holes not that clean. So that's why. So again, that was it. Thanks for watching. If you have any awesome or cool ideas you'd like to share with me on the drill press, please tell me in the comments. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.